Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I am super duper excited to film this video for you because today I'm going to be talking about one of my most favorite makeup items, and that is Makeup Geek shadows. Now Makeup Geek hands down are my most favorite eyeshadows because they're super pigmented, they're buttery, they're creamy, and they're just a dream to blend. And especially for the price that you pay, they're just $5.99. You simply can't beat it. So if you still don't have Makeup Geek shadows, you need to get them in your life like right now. And if you're confused about which shadows to pick because Makeup Geek has a wide variety of shades, then this video is for you because today I'm going to be sharing with you my top 10 must-have Makeup Geek eyeshadows. Now Makeup Geek shadows are available in such pan forms. These are $5.99 a pot. They're also available in compacts. I'm not really sure how much they are priced, but I would suggest you to get in pans like this so that you can put it in a Z palette and you can have all your Makeup Geek shadows in one place. Alright, so the first must-have eyeshadow that I have for you is called Shimmer Shimmer. This is a very shimmery, iridescent, light champagne color. This is really soft and buttery and pigmented, and it just works really great as an all-over lid shade, or you can use it to highlight your inner corner or your brow bone. You can also use it to highlight your face. Now this is how it swatches. You can see it is so pigmented. I just absolutely love this shade and you need to have it in your life. Alright, so the next eyeshadow that I have for you is called Creme Brulee. How can you not love an eyeshadow which is named after food? I mean, like, seriously. Now this is a very soft, muted, warm toned brown, and this is how it swatches. So it's a very nice transitioning shade, but if you are a little lighter skin tone than I am, then you can probably use this as a soft crease color as well. This is probably one of my most used Makeup Geek shadows. I kind of use this for any eye look that I'm wearing. Alright, so the next shadow is called Cocoa Bear. This is one of the most unique eyeshadow. I don't think I have anything like this in my collection. It's a very warm toned reddish brown, and this is also matte, which makes it a perfect crease shade. And this is how it swatches. So you can see this is a very nice crease color. So if you like warm toned looks, then it's a must have for you. The next shade that I have for you is called Bitten. This is hands down my most favorite Makeup Geek eyeshadow. If I could only own one eyeshadow from Makeup Geek, I would choose Bitten. So you can understand how much I love it. So if you are planning to get any eyeshadow from Makeup Geek, please do get Bitten. You won't regret it. So Bitten is also a matte shadow, and as you can see, it's a very warm toned reddish, cranberryish, burgundy sort of a shade. It's very difficult to explain as it's very unique, and that's why it's a must have. So on those days when I don't want to go for my usual browns or I don't want to wear Cocoa Bear, I would use Bitten in my crease. It gives a little bit of color to my eye look without it being overboard. So the next shade is called Mocha. This is a very cool toned dark brown, so if you want to darken your outer corner and you don't want to use something as harsh as black, you can use this. This would be perfect for that. This is how it swatches on my hand, and as you can see, it's really cool toned. So if you want, you can also fill out your brows with it if you have dark hair. And if you are medium to darker skin tone, you can also contour with this. It would be perfect for that as it is so cool toned. Alright, so the next two shades that I have for you, I want to talk about them together because they have the same purpose for me, and that is Chickadee and Mango Tango. Now I know this might be a little intimidating at first and you might be like, I don't want to wear orange or pink on my eyes, but these work as perfect transition shades. So if you want to bring some warmth to your eye look, use any one of these. They would be perfect for that. I usually use Chickadee when I'm doing a really warm toned look. I love blending out Cocoa Bear with this. It looks absolutely great. And I love using Mango Tango when I'm doing a much cool toned look, maybe with purples or blues or even a black smoky eye. I like using this in my crease to bring some warmth. And I also love blending out Bitten with this. These combinations look absolutely gorgeous. So this is the swatch of Chickadee and this one is Mango Tango. So Chickadee is a matte shade and Mango Tango is kind of like a satin finish, but still it works really great in the crease. So the next must-have is called Corrupt. Now this is hands down the blackest black that you can find in the market. This is potent and it is so black that you can easily use it to line your eyes. And it's a must-have because I feel everybody needs a good black matte eyeshadow. And this is how Corrupt swatches. Can you see how pigmented it is? It's just crazy. And just to show you how pigmented it is, even when I wipe it off with a wet makeup removing wipe, you can still see the stain. It's that pigmented. So the next two shades, I again want to mention them together, and they are Glamorous and Cosmopolitan. Now these two are perfect everyday all over lid shades. Now I personally don't prefer wearing super shimmery or metallic eyeshadows on a daily basis. So these are perfect for me because they're not intensely shimmery. They just have a really beautiful sheen to them, which I absolutely love. So Glamorous is your perfect everyday muted gold, which is not overpowering at all. And Cosmopolitan is a really nice rose gold. So if you don't want to wear your usual golds or taupes that you wear on a daily basis, you can switch it up with this. It would bring some color to your eye look without it being overboard. This is the swatch of Glamorous and this is Cosmopolitan. They both have a shimmery finish, but I have to mention Cosmopolitan is probably the most creamiest and butteriest eyeshadow that I've ever felt in my life. It's just a piece of heaven. Alright people, so these were my top 10 most favorite Makeup Geek eyeshadows. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite Makeup Geek eyeshadow. And if you've enjoyed this video, then please give me a thumbs up and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So until next time, take care and bye-bye.